Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to cancel card on DBS account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on digibot icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. So then on the chat box, you'll have to type in Terminate card. And once you type in Terminate card, on the other page you'll have to tap on Authenticate me, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is you'll have to complete the authentication. You can see there are two different options. So you can either use your iBanking login or you can use your card and PIN number. So select it accordingly, whichever is convenient for you. So once you're done entering your information, next tap on the card that you want to terminate. So once you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to verify the card number that you would like to cancel. And once you're done, next you'll have to select the reason for the cancellation of the card. Next page there is an update, and in case if you have no other card that you wish to terminate, then simply tap on no, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. So then on the last interface there is an update. And after you're done, tap on yes, and that is how you can submit, and your termination request has been successfully submitted. So that is how you can cancel or terminate your card on DBS account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.